In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and edit a custom HTML email template on Mailchimp for 2025. This will be a full tutorial guiding you step by step through the process. First, head over to Mailchimp.com, where we'll begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate through the left-hand sidebar and go to Campaigns, followed by Email Templates. This is where we can create or edit any existing templates that you have. Now it's time to create a new template. You'll want to click on Create Template. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either paste in code or import HTML. Let's break these down. If you're choosing to paste in your HTML code, start by copying all of your code from your preferred editor. Then paste it directly into Mailchimp's code editor. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save and Close. If instead you're importing an HTML file, you'll need to click on Import HTML and then upload the .html file directly from your computer. After uploading, make sure to click Upload followed by Save to ensure everything is properly saved. After you've successfully uploaded your template, Mailchimp will give you a preview of it. This is a critical step as you'll want to carefully inspect your template for any missing images since URLs might not have been made absolute. Look out for any unwanted spacing or padding issues as well as font or color mismatches. Once you're confident that everything appears as it should, click Save Template, and your template will be stored under Save Templates in your Mailchimp dashboard. The next step involves editing the custom HTML template as needed. Mailchimp provides a convenient editor for making minor changes. To access this, go back to Campaigns and then Email Templates in your Mailchimp account. Find your uploaded template and select Edit Design, followed by Code View. Within this editor, you can adjust text content, image links, button URLs, and modify colors or headings. However, it's important to avoid any heavy layout changes directly within Mailchimp. If significant changes are needed, it's advisable to edit the original HTML file and upload it again. Once your template is finalized, it's time to utilize it in a campaign. Head over to Campaigns, then Create, and select Email. Choose regular email when prompted, and proceed to Save Templates when selecting your template. Here, select your uploaded template to begin. Before hitting Send, it's crucial to test your template. Enter Preview mode and check both desktop and mobile views. Send a test email to your own inbox and examine how it appears in clients like Gmail, Outlook, and other mobile mail apps. If